Hello students, welcome to Little Scholars Public School online classes subject maths class 4th. Students, previous video we have learned how to measure the length. Now today we will learn how to measure a weight. Standard unit of weight is kilogram or gram. Now we learn the sentence King Henry died while drinking choco milk. When we learn this sentence, we learn this sentence from easy to remember the units. King K, Henry H, starting letter we will take, died D, while basic units drinking D deci, choco C centi, milk M milli. Means kilo, hecto, deca, standard unit deci, centi, milli. Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram basic unit, decigram, centigram, milligram. Okay students. Now these 7 units you learn. 1 kilogram how many gram? 1000 gram. 1 kilogram how many gram? 1000 gram. And 1 gram? 1000 milligram. 1 gram how many milligram? 1000 milligram. Now students, the mind gym 3B we solve. Now greater unit converting into lower unit, we multiply. And lower unit converting into greater unit, we divide. So first 12 kilogram into gram. We convert 12 kilogram into gram. Which unit is greater? Kilogram. And this kilogram we converted into gram. Means bigger unit converted into smaller unit, we multiply. So 1 kilogram how many gram? 1000 gram. So 12 kilogram, 12 multiplied by 1000 is 12,000 gram. 25 kilogram into gram. So 25 multiplied by 1000. So 25,000 gram. Next example. A bag weight is 4 kilogram 280 gram. How much will it weight in grams? We are converted into kilogram into grams. So now here already 280 gram is here. So we don't change, only we change 4 kilogram. 1 kilogram how many gram? 1 kilogram 1000 gram. 1000 gram. So 4 kilogram 4000 gram plus 280 gram equal to 4280 gram. Now 10 gram 500 milligram into converted into milligram. So now here already 500 milligram here. So don't change. Only we can change 10 gram. So 1 gram how many milligram? 1 gram 1000 milligram. Okay. 1000 milligram. So 1 gram 1000 milligram. So 10 gram 10,000 milligram plus 500 milligram. So what is the answer? 10,500 milligram. Okay students, now next. A spoon weight is 20 gram. And how much weight in milligrams? Gram which unit is bigger unit? Gram. Gram unit is bigger unit, and bigger unit converted into smaller unit, we multiply. So 1 gram how many milligram? 1000 milligram. So 20 gram is equal to 20 multiplied by 1000. So 20,000 milligram. Do you understand? Now next example. Now 35,000 gram into kilogram. This gram unit is what? Which unit? Bigger unit or lower unit? Lower unit. Smaller unit. The smaller unit converted into bigger unit. What will you do? Division. Divide. So 35,000 divided by 1 kilogram, how many gram? 1 kilogram, 1000 gram. So divided by 1000. How many 0? 1000? 3 0. So we will come in the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. I told you in morning, this is a kilogram and this is gram. So how many kilogram? 35 kilogram. Okay students. Now next example. 6,505 milligram into gram and milligram. Okay. So again milligram is a smaller unit and gram is a bigger unit. Smaller unit converted into bigger unit. What will you do? Divide. So 6,505 divided by 1 gram. How many milligram? 1000 milligram. So, and 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000. Means this 1000 milligram we divide. Okay. How many 0? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. In right hand side we will come 1, 2, 3 and we make a line here. So this is a gram and this is milligram. So which one it is? 6 gram 505 milligram. Okay students. Now again 7,065 gram into kilogram. Again smaller unit converted into bigger unit we divide. Yes. So 7,065. 1 kilogram. How many gram? 1000 grams. So divided by 1000. So how many 0 on 1000? 3 0. So 1, 2 and 3. We make a line here. This is kilogram and this is gram. This is kilogram and this is gram. So 7 kilogram 65 gram. Okay students, understood how to solve these examples? Now how to addition of this unit and subtraction. 44 kg 850 kg plus 59 kg 320 kg. First we make a column kilogram and gram. So how many kilogram? 44 kilogram. 44 kilogram. Then how many gram? 850 grams. So 850 write in a gram column and 44 write in a kilogram column. Then add how many kilogram? 59 kilogram. So we write 59 in a kilogram column. How many gram? 320 gram. So we write which column? Gram column and then add 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 2, 7. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 4 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So 104 kilogram, 170 gram. 104 kilogram, 170 gram. So again here 740 gram 250 milligram minus 245 gram 680 milligram. So again I write here gram and milligram column. So students, see here 740 we write in a gram column, 740, and 250 we write in a milligram column. Okay. Now minus 245 you write in a gram column and 680 we write in a milligram column. So we subtract them. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 8 it is possible? No. We will write here 15 and here 1. 15 minus 8, 7. Now 1 minus 6 it is possible? No. Then we will take here borrowing 11. Now here 9. Here 3. Here 6. Okay. Now 11 minus 6, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 13 minus 4, 9. 6 minus 2, 4. So 494 gram 570 milligram. Now 494 gram 570 milligram. Okay students. Now next example. Vivek weight 76 kilogram 300 gram and Rakesh weight 82 kilogram 900 gram. What is the difference in their weight? So here given weight, Vivek weight given 76 kilogram 300 gram and Rakesh weight given 82 kilogram 900 gram. And what is the difference? Difference means what we will do? Subtraction. So which weight is bigger? Rakesh weight. So we write here first Rakesh weight 82 kilogram 900 gram. Which weight it is? Rakesh weight. And Vivek weight 76 kilogram 300 gram Vivek. So now we subtract. Difference means subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. 2 minus 6 it is possible? No. 12. Now 12 minus 6, 6. And 7 minus 7, 0. So 6 kilogram 600 gram. What is the difference in their weight? 6 kilogram 600 gram is the difference in their weight. This is a difference. Okay students. Now next example. Mrs. Chandra bought 650 gram guavas, 2 kilogram 400 gram of mangoes and 1 kilogram 700 gram of watermelon. What is the total weight of the fruits she bought in kilogram and gram? Total. Total means what we will do? Addition. First what bought Mrs. Chandra? Gavas. So first we will write only 650 gram gavas. And then 2 kilogram 400 gram mangoes and 1 kilogram 700 gram watermelon. So total means we add them. So here we add them. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 7 carry. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 kilogram 750 gram weight of the fruits she bought how many? 4 kilogram 750 gram total weight of the fruits she bought. She bought how many total weight of the fruit? 4 kilogram 750 gram. So students, what we learned today? Weight. How to measure the weight. Which unit we use the weight? Kilogram and gram. Standard unit of weight is kilogram or gram. Greater unit converted into lower unit, we multiply. Lower unit converting into greater unit, we divide. So students, I hope you understand this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.